dog. He was, but he was at half battle, so it wasn't a race.
Never in the same place at the same time. God, Jordan.
He won, Jordan.
It was a hard race. It was a hard race.
Me too. I'm sticking around. Yeah, I'm thinking about kids in town. Yeah, I like that. Oh, man, I'm on vacation this week. What you like? My new people on mail?
What you like, yo?
But you know what? I got a long picture.
George, I trust you. You ain't gonna run it up. Hey, Dick.
Yeah, soon enough, tune that thing in on 902, the motherfucking 428.
Get the grand uncle over here, huh?
Knock Scott in the head, take that motherfucker home. You gonna pick up that TV, man?
I know. Hold on, man.
You gonna take that TV up?
Yeah. That